In my previous videos, I showed you guys how you can turn on restriction mode on YouTube and on your Chrome browser. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do this on TikTok. Very much simple and easy. So when you turn on your restriction mode, you prevent yourself from seeing explicit and matured content. I mean sexual related, and then firearms and blood and the rest. So if you have a child that uses TikTok, I think there's a setting you need to turn on for him or her. So now let's get going with the procedure. So to do this, you can see I'm on my profile here. So I tap on here to move to my settings. So I tap on the settings and privacy. So something like this, you should find it at content preferences. So automatically it's been turned off. You can see it here, restriction or restricted mode. So now let me tap on that. Good. So now I have to turn it on. But then before I turn it on, I need to create a passcode. So let me use 2024 and then let me confirm it. Good, 2024. So before your child turns off this restriction mode, unless he or she knows the passcode, else the person can't turn it off, something like that. So now let me set it. So here your TikTok will have to restart itself, something like that, restart itself and then turn on. So now let's move to our profile. So here, before your child turns this off, unless he or she knows the passcode before he or she can turn it off. So that's it on how you can turn on restriction mode on TikTok. If you are new here, try to give this video a like and then subscribe to my channel. But if you are old here, I'll say thank you for visiting me once again. That's it for this video. Peace.